Experience the spacious interior of the Campros CP6-Person Camping tent with nearly straight walls and a 72-inch center height for added convenience. Ensure ultimate weather protection with high-tech coating material, sealed seams, and waterproof strips that guarantee water resistance during your camping adventures. Set up your tent effortlessly with color-coded poles and easy instructions, allowing 2 people to assemble the tent in just 5 minutes. Enjoy great ventilation and stunning views with mesh tent tops and doors, while keeping your small items organized with interior storage options like a gear loft and mesh pockets. Embark on your next outdoor journey with the Campros CP6-Person Camping tent, the perfect blend of durability, functionality, and comfort for your family camping trips.